Probably one of Caribbean most delicious recipe. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, one of Guyanese most delicious recipe, vermicelli. So my friend, before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe and show some love. For this recipe, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. As always, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So my friend, let's begin. In a heated pan, you want to go ahead and add half a stick of butter or 1 stick of butter and bring that to a full melt. After a minute or so, you want to go ahead and add your vermicelli and fully poach. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily put together at home in little or no time. So my friend, if you'd like to see more of these awesome recipes, please subscribe. So my friend, this looks amazing. In a minute or so, I'm going to go ahead and add my dry spices. So my friend, as mentioned, I will leave a full list of ingredients below. Next, for additive taste, dry raisin, and also evaporated milk. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cans of evaporated milk. So friend, for additive taste, 1 tablespoon of grated nutmeg. So my friend, after 5 minutes or so, next I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 remaining can of evaporated milk. So my friend, to finish it off, I'll be adding half a can of sweet condensed milk and also cherries. So my friend, how easy was that? Now you know how to make delicious vermicelli at home. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, vermicelli recipe.